Okay, I'm doing an example from 7.5 on the L'Hopital's rule, which is part of the extra credit assignment. And L'Hopital's rule is a way of finding the limit when normally we couldn't. Now, if we look at this limit, if you just put in 0, cosine 0 is 1, and so we'd have a 0 in the denominator, and we couldn't find this limit. L'Hopital's rule says that what you do is if you get a case like this, where if you just put in the limit, it doesn't work, take the derivative of top and bottom and see what happens, and then you can just apply the limit again. And you can do this as many times as you need to get the right answer. So this is what we start with. If we put in 0, this won't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to take the derivative. So the derivative of the top, you just take the top and the bottom separately. You don't need to do the quotient rule or anything. This is actually really simple. You just go straight across the top, straight across the bottom, is 4x. And down here, cosine x becomes negative sine x, and this goes away. Now sine x is 0, so we still can't do this because that will give us a 0 in the denominator. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take the derivative again. So the top becomes 4, and the bottom becomes negative cosine x. Well, now cosine x, cosine of 0, is 1. We can do this. If I put in 1 here, this is 4 over negative 1, or negative 4. So by taking the derivative twice, I was able to find the limit, and the limit is negative 4. So I go back here, negative 4, check answer, and that's our answer. So all L'Hopital's rule tells us is a way of finding the limit of things we couldn't take before by taking the derivative. And you just do top and bottom separately, and you just go straight across. And you can do this as many times as you need until you get one. I mean, obviously each time stop and check and see if the limit now works, or if it doesn't, try taking the derivative again. So that's about all there is to this